Okay, Sir AC, Ma'am AC and Sir Anthony, you may now slice the cake.
Ito na.
Okay, sabi po ng mga Pinoy, kung gaano daw kalaki yung isusubong cake ni Sir Anthony kay Ma'am AC, ganun daw kalaki yung bubuuin nilang pamilya. Now let us witness kung gaano kalaki yung slice ng cake na isusubong ni Sir Anthony kay Ma'am AC. Okay, sir? It's now time to feed your wife for the very first